This guy reminds me of the schoolyard snitch. You know, that guy in the classroom who's telling on everybody, writing things down, passing notes to the teacher. This guy walks up to the man who dropped a cigarette on the ground and decided he wants to give him a ticket. The problem is, the man picked up his cigarette so it's no longer littering. Now I get it. I personally have a pet peeve against littering. I don't do it. But at the same time, I don't believe that cops need to be called for something so petty. If this kid right here cared so much about the earth, why didn't he just pick it up? I think what happens is you give these kids a little bit of presumed authority and they think they have unbridled power. You guys check out this video. Let me know what you guys think. I will drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get right to the video. Leave us some comments, folks.
It's only going to benefit you dealing with me, so I can deal with the lowest means of enforcement.
Yeah.
Okay. If you fail to comply with me, I'm only going to identify you by means of number plate.
That's
and
fine.
You're still going to receive the fixed penalty notice.
No, we can.
Or you're going to be summoned to court.
Right. So what I did, I dropped a cigarette by accident. I've now picked it up, put it in my ashtray. So there's no crime committed.
Yep. The crime has been committed.
No, there is no crime. If somebody drops something and they leave it, there is a crime.
Did you guys hear what he said? He said he dropped a cigarette butt on accident. So for all of those in the comment section that are going to be saying that he should have been ticketed for littering, no, folks. He said it was on accident. If a little kid drops a candy wrapper on the ground, should an off-duty cop come out of his house and beat up the daddy? Shout out to Last Days of Freedom. I don't know if you guys seen that video, but that's exactly what happened. This guy's face here looks like he's ready to pounce. Keep watching, folks.
So you threw it from your window.
And then I picked it up.
You threw it from your window, sir.
I dropped it by accident and I picked it up.
You didn't drop it by accident. You threw it from the window.
Yep.
If you dropped it by accident, it'd be here. It was over there, sir.
All right.
Like you keep pointing your camera down there. So
Oh yeah, there's nothing there because I picked it up.
Yes, sir.
Nothing has been dropped and left. I never left.
The offence has been committed, sir.
No.
I need to verify your details so we can deal with it with loads of means of enforcement. What we don't want to do is escalate it.
We can do that. You can call the police. No crime has been committed. You'll be wasting the time.
The police will.
You're wasting your time. You're wasting my time.
No.
You think I don't know the law on this?
The only time you'll be wasting, sir, is the police's time, because the police are going to come out. They're going to say, "What's your details?" And they're going to give you details to me.
You're not getting my details.
It's not.
I'm not going to give my details.
And then because of how difficult you've been, I can just summon you to court.
I've committed no crime. There is no crime. I've videoed the evidence. There is no crime.
Okay. But did you video yourself picking it up? Did you video yourself committing the offence?
You've confirmed on video that I picked it up. You saw me pick it up.
Absolutely, sir.
Exactly.
Yeah. But had I not come over and asked you to pick it up, would you have picked it up?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Yeah. So it was over there.
Yeah.
Okay. So do I need to escalate this, sir?
Just do what you need to do.
So you want me to call the police?
Yeah.
Okay. Like I said, the police are only going to come out and get your details, and I'm going to have your details. So then you're going to be summoned to court with a fine of £2,500 and a criminal record.
For a crime I haven't committed. I have video evidence. There is no crime.
I've got video evidence that you've committed the offence.
If I'd have dropped something and left it, the law states if somebody drops something and they leave it. I didn't leave it.
Sir, what does the legislation specifically say? You sound like you're pretty up to date on the legislation.
If somebody drops something and they leave it, then it's glittering.
Okay.
You committed an offence. If somebody drops something and they pick it up, there's no offence.
I give you the opportunity to pick it up. You had plenty of time. But I was walking from over there to pick the cigarette up, but you didn't.
That's fine.
So you left the litter.
Yeah.
That was leaving the litter.
No, I haven't left. I'm right here. I haven't gone anywhere.
So like I said, you're only going to cause more trouble for yourself, because when the police do come out, they can fine you up to £1,000 for failing to comply with an authorised officer. So you're just going to cause more trouble yourself.
That's fine.
To comply with me.
That's fine. Do what you need to do.
Okay. No problems. Please.
Unfortunately, folks, the video ends abruptly. We don't know what happens. We don't know if he got a ticket. But I will say that if they do give him a ticket, I believe he can beat it. This video is definitive proof that he did not litter, especially considering that this young fella with presumed authority admitted that the cigarette was picked up. What did we learn from this video, folks? If you don't check presumed authority, it'll turn into unbridled power. It is upon you to record and hold your public officials accountable. Imagine if this man wasn't recording. Imagine if he would have got a ticket in the mail. Imagine if it would have been Big Head Kid's word versus yours. In the eyes of the government officials cannot lie. They can do no wrong, folks. Government is perfect, right? Wrong. People in general are not perfect. So just because you work in government doesn't mean that you can do no wrong. Always record the police, folks. It is extremely important that you record and document your interactions and transactions. Keep in mind that every government installation and agency is a business and you are a client. Know and understand your rights. Because this video takes place in the UK, we're not going to talk about the First Amendment of the Constitution here. We do want to spread a message of freedom. So thank you to all of you who are out there recording. If you guys have videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Let us know a little bit about your laws. Send us the information that you possibly can so we can help your channels grow and we can hold your public officials accountable. With that being said, go subscribe to Thomas's channel. Let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day. Peace.